Good morning, children. Today's date is 5th October 2020 and today's day is Monday. In our literacy class, today we are going to learn a new sound. Yes, so today's sound is L, as in lamp, lamp. Yes, so the initial sound is L. The name of this letter is L. So this is my capital L and this is my lowercase l. The sound is L. So let us look for some more objects that begin with the sound L. So children, looking at the first picture, what is this? This is, which part of the body is this? This is a leg. Leg. You all know this. Yes, your mama or papa must be using this at home to work. This is called a laptop. Yes. Now this is used to climb. It's called ladder. Ladder. This is a beautiful water body. It's called a lake. Lake. Now this is just one. So it's called a leaf. If there are many leaves, then it's called leaves. Now this, which animal is this? Animal with a very furry coat. Yes, and its wool is used to make beautiful sweaters that we use during the winters. The name of this animal is lamb. Now you know this. This is a vegetable which is very sour in taste. Maybe it's a fruit. Yeah, it's lemon. This is an animal, with a long mane. Lion. We just saw this. Lamp. This is again part of your face. Lips. Yes, so here we had few more pictures. We'll go through just once again. Leg. Laptop, ladder, lake, leaf, and if there are many, they are called leaves. Lamb, lemon, lion, lamp, lips. So these are all pictures of objects that begin with the sound L, the letter L.